Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a follow-up video on what fits on this Louis Vuitton key pouch in a size medium. There were a few people who asked me to do on what fits on this Louis Vuitton key pouch in a size medium. Alright, and I also have here my Louis Vuitton Speedy 25 in a damier ebene. So we have a guest today. This is a special participation of my forever baby in my collection right here, and she's still beautiful. She's stunningly beautiful, and I've used her a lot during winter. This one. So I have a question. I've been asked if this pouch, the medium pouch, would fit inside a Speedy 25. So the Speedy 25 measures around 9.8 inches and the key pouch is around 9.4 inches. So the biggest question is, will this fit? Okay, let's take a look. Right? Will this fit? So this is how it looks inside. I have, once again, I have an organizer. So like, I don't know, for some reason, I could not use my purse without an organizer. I always love to organize everything. And in fact, I've used this the other day. Okay, let's take a look. So as we guys all know, that the Speedy 25 doesn't much have a large opening. So the openings aren't really that generous at all. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay, so you just have to angle it. Yes, it does fit. So you guys could see that it fits inside. It really fits perfectly like that. But then again, it's just, you just can't really take it out easily. It wouldn't be easy to take it out because once it's filled, then that would be difficult. So I don't think I will be using this on my Speedy 25. I don't think so, because like when you wanted to take this one out right here, then I'm pretty sure you would scratch the canvas because of the opening. Like I mentioned, it's not wide. So yeah, so when you put it back in and you take it out, yeah, I don't think that would work for me. But anyway, just for the size reference, all right, to those who ask, it does fit. All right, and then I'll show you the difference. So this is the Speedy 25, and then this is the difference over here. Pretty much more, it's not much. All right, so for the size reference, okay, right there, just want to make sure it's even. All right, okay, so this medium could fit on a Speedy 25. Okay, moving on. And also later on, I will be introducing you on how I packed it using my organizer. Like I said, I love organizers. Okay, so right now I have here a passport. So let's take a look inside right here. The passport actually fits in the slip pocket. All right, it fits perfectly on a slip pocket right there with no problems at all, like that, and you still have plenty of space left. Okay, and you could also put the passport right here if you'd like. So put it this way, put it that way. Also, for security reasons, you could also lift this flap over here and hide it underneath. Okay, you could do that as well. So that one is optional. Okay, so let me show you like that. Okay. So the passport is hidden, especially when you're traveling. But then again, when you wanted to take it out, when you needed it later, then it might be a little bit difficult. You have to take everything out inside the purse. But that was just the idea. Here an iPhone, and this is the same size as Pro Max. And let's see if this fits. It fits perfectly inside. All right. I wish I could show you. Like that, no problems at all. And then you could also put this inside the slip pocket if you'd like. Okay, fits in there for iPhone Pro Max. Okay, so if you have a smaller phone, definitely it will fit in there. Also have here the key pouch in a size small, and as we guys all know that the size medium actually is twice bigger, okay, than the small pouch. And then over here there's like a couple of inch left. All right, and then you can just put this one inside if you'd like. I think you can. Yeah, might be a little snug though, but maybe you could just put it sideways like that. This is for the reference only. And I also have my key pouch over here, the holiday animation, and this one also fits in here. Okay, just like that. Also, I've noticed that my key pouch, the holiday animation pouch, is actually has the same quality as the key pouch, the small and the medium key pouch. It's puffy right here. See, it's puffy. All right, so moving on, I also have here, I have a banknotes over here, and this fits perfectly in the side pouch. You don't need to fold it. I don't know, for some reason I don't like folding my cash. I have no idea why. So right here, okay, so it fits perfectly right there. And then you could also put a business card behind it. You could also put a credit card behind it, and then another credit card if you'd like. So you could put 3. And you could also put on the other side as well, the opposite side. Yeah, there is plenty of room left. That's amazing. All right. And also, if you wanted to use a pocket organizer, so this is what I'm currently using. You could just put it inside like that, with no problems at all. Right there. Okay. All right. No problems at all. And then if you wanted to put a card holder, you could also put it inside as well. Yeah, definitely it'll fit. Okay, so that's for reference only. Let me just take this one out. And then the pouch is actually large. And then if you wanted to just throw everything inside, you could do that as well. Really, you could do whatever you want on your pouch. You could put whatever you want inside the pouch. Okay, the opening is very generous right here. It is soft. It's supple for some reason. And then I also have several cosmetics over here. So I'm going to put this without an organizer. So first things first, I think it will fit a full size eyeliner, a full size mascara. I also have a primer over here. And then I have a Louis Vuitton perfume. This one has an atomizer in it. I think I could just put it this way. I mean, you can arrange it according to how you want it. Like you arrange it this way, like that, and then a full-size lipstick. And then if you want to carry a pen, you could do that. And then a powder. And then I have a hand cream over here. Look at that. There's plenty of space. Okay, so let's see if we could close it. Yeah, we were able to close it. But I think the hand cream is too big. I think that one was actually causing the pouch looks a little bit bulgy. Like that. It's a little bit distorted in a way. So when we close it, see, like that. This side is fine, but this one, you're probably gonna have to even out. So you can correct the side over here. But with this pouch, like I've mentioned, I will be using an organizer, and then let me show you that organizer. So you could just easily dump it like that. All right, so I will be using an organizer, and this is from my Kirigami Pochette in a size large. So this fits perfectly in the pouch, and this is actually the thin felt. I think this is one, yeah, I think so. So the felt is very thin. All right, so it fits perfectly inside. Okay, and this one has a card slot over here, which you can organize everything, and on top of that, you still have an access to this slip pocket over here in the side corner. And definitely the organizer doesn't take a lot of weight in it. I love it. It's thin, it's perfect. The reason why I use an organizer is because, of course, I wanted to organize my stuff. And for this one, I think this one really helps because when you just lip this inside, put this inside without an organizer, it's like, it seems like, yeah, the inside is smooth. It seems like it's slippery. But with this one, it just gonna help, really. It's gonna help right there. So it wouldn't really move so much, probably because of the felt. Right there, yeah. I like the fact that, yeah, with organizer is perfect. Yeah, it's perfect with the organizer. I can already tell. So look at that. Look at that with the organizer. It looks so much better and organized with an organizer. Without an organizer, it's all over. Okay, so let me try to close it. Yeah, so it's still a little bit distorted because it's overstuffed, I think, but it's not too bad though. It's not too bad. Okay, so I think I'm not gonna put this hand cream inside my pouch. Without it, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. All right, and also I have mentioned earlier, this is my Kirigami Pochette, and I did transform my Kirigami Pochette as a crossbody bag. Do you think that we can transform this as a crossbody bag? I think so, if you would like, but this is not intended to use as a crossbody. But if you wanted to transform it, it's up to you, but I don't think I can do that, for the reason that this side over here, this one is very tight, so it would be so difficult for the chain to attach the chain on this corner, and you might end up damaging the canvas. So yeah, if you felt like you wanted to do a DIY pouch, you could do it, but I would not suggest it. Okay, so this is just an example, an idea though. You don't have to do it if you don't. I mean, for me, I don't think so, because I don't think it will work. So just to give you an idea, like that, it can be done like that. It can be done like that. But if this one is a little slightly So the opening over here, yeah, you can actually pull this ear chain over here, but then again, it's very tight and you don't want to damage the canvas on this corner, and yeah, that would be an issue. That would be the problem. So yeah, but with the Kirigami pochette, I don't see any problems at all. Okay, so for this pouch, it will not work as a crossbody. Okay, so this is just for reference use only. So it is your purse. You could do whatever you want in it. But I totally love the size. I totally love the organizer. Definitely. And this one is actually perfect. This is like perfect for traveling and perfect for daily use, I must say. And yeah, I think out of all the pochettes that I have, I think I will gravitate more on this than my mini pochette. And also, this one is nice too if you want to put your key over here. This is actually perfect inside your purse. And all these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous, beautiful, lovely. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.